Okay guys, here they are. Yeah, they don't look like much. Yeah, they probably aren't. What we have here is two EZGO Textron club cars. The gray one is a 1989. It is mostly complete. White one is a 1991. For all intents and purposes, they're exactly the same. They came as a package deal. The unfortunate thing is I was looking for a golf cart project because I want a transaxle with reverse. Well, should have done my research. Well, this one's broken. There are some good parts. That secondary is good. The brake parts are probably good. Stuff like that. The unfortunate part is that these older carts do not have a transaxle. This is merely a differential. As you can see, they use the same differential. This is where the electric motor we bolt on. They use the same differential whether it was an electric motor or a gas motor. So that means for reverse, when you switch that into reverse, it actually shuts the engine off and starts the engine in reverse rotation, therefore making the cart go in reverse. So that kind of puts a little bit damper in my plans because I don't plan on using either of these engines. Probably could get one of them to run, but man, these golf cart engines are weird. There's a governor on the rear end that controls the carburetor, I think. Of course, it's a starter generator that runs off of a belt here. I may be able to incorporate that somehow into my swap so that reverse would just run off the electric motor. Not so sure. Now that I have two, it's got my brain working. Is it 1 + 1 = 2? Or is it 1 + 1 = 1? Or 1 + 1 = 1.5? I'm not exactly sure yet. I'll keep you guys updated. All right, there is the subject. 1989 Textron EZGO 2-stroke golf cart. Looks like a pile of crap. But hopefully by the time I'm done with it, it won't look like a pile of crap. It's a roller. Brakes work. It's got a differential in it. All I can smell right now is really, really horrible gas. Who knows? I have no idea how long ago this actually ran. This is fresh off the power washer. I didn't show you guys that. But still got that one there. this rear end, that rear end obviously is junk. That governor shaft broke out. And here is the other one, 1991 Textron EZGO 2-stroke golf cart. The plan is to get this differential back underneath of it. It is of course broken there. That is the governor shaft. Actually, it's the input shaft. Broken before I got it. But I'm going to attempt to get that axle back under there so at least I can make a roller out of it. So what's next is I'm gonna try to get that turned around by myself. I was able to get that unloaded by myself. Of course, gravity gave me a hand with that. So I'm gonna try to get that turned around back here on the back of the trailer, get it on jack stands, see if I can't get that axle back underneath of it, at least temporarily. Guess I need to slow down, think about what I'm doing a little more. The rear axle, the loose one, fell off the front of the trailer. Probably didn't see that on camera, and nearly missed hitting my pickup by an inch. Landed on the ground. So you see me get the golf cart turned around, jacked up. I went and got the axle, and I don't know if you noticed or not, but I had it tips upside down and gear lube come pouring out all over the ground. And all down my leg. There's my shorts, soaking in degreaser, clean shorts-ish. So you slow down, think about this a little more. I get too ahead of myself and get in a hurry. So we're gonna get back at this. Alright guys, there we go. For some reason, when they took this apart, they cut those spring perches off. So I had to go in and put them back on. Man, I'm not looking too bad on those welds. A little heavy, but that's all I need. So that that's all I need so we can get the spring on there. We got a roller again. There, now it doesn't look like as big of a piece of crap sitting here. Looks like a golf cart without a seat, or a bumper, or a motor, rear end. Well, this one doesn't roll as good as the other one anyway. That differential's bad. Listen to that. So that's the golf cart project in its infancy. I sure can make a mess, that's for sure. Such a small area, it doesn't take long. I mean, wow. Yeah, that's what I should be doing, is cleaning this up. Except I've had enough. I've been out here all day. So there will be a golf cart project. What direction it's going, I'm not exactly sure. So I appreciate you guys watching. If you get a chance, please like and subscribe, ring the bell, and leave me a comment if you feel there's something you would like to say. I do love reading the comments. So with that, remember guys, if you're going to be good at breaking stuff, you better be good at fixing stuff.